Welcome to Akshara Vidya channel, and I'm continuing with the class 3 Kannada Ratna publication, chapter 1, Padya poem Devaru Kottihanu. So in the previous part we have gone through the poem reading and understood the meaning of the poem. So in today's class we will go through the exercise activity. So I'll start with the Abhyasa exercise. First one, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪದಗಳಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಆರ್ if there is news, you have to write samachar. So here I have written the answers for Kannada word and its Kannada meaning and simultaneously English. So if they ask you news, in case they ask you news, you have to write as samachara or suddhi. Sight, drishya, like that. So let's go through the Kannada word and then corresponding Kannada meaning and English meaning. Suddhi, samachara, news. Drishya, note, sight. Nudi, ಮಾತು, speak. ಗಾಳಿ, vayu means wind. ಹಾದಿ, ದಾರಿ, way. ನಡತೆ, ಗುಣ, character. ಬಾಳ್ವೆ, ಬದುಕು, ಜೀವನ, life. ಬೆಳಗಲು, ಪ್ರಕಾಶಿಸು, shine. ನಾಲಿಗೆ, ಜೀವೆ, tongue. The second part is complete the poem. So you can go through what is there in your exercise and write it down. So I'll move through third section, ಸಜಾತಿ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಜಾತಿಯ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಪದಗಳು. ಸಜಾತಿ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ means if the letter has its own ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ, like ಕಗೆ ಕ ಮಾತ್ರ. Okay, that's sajati. Vijati means if letter has other letters ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ. Like, see here. I'll give the example here. Vyanjana akshara. Kshara. Kage. Kshav. Kshavat So it become ksha. Correct? Now if you observe kannu. For na vatakshara is there. So it becomes sajati vatakshara. Okay, similarly let's do. Kotti hanu. Tage. Ta vatakshara. Kotti. Ta. Kotti hanu. This is sajati. Same. Sajati means same, Vijati means different. So same Vattakshara, so it comes under Sajati. Valleya, Lage, La Vattakshara. So same, right? So Sajati. Kannu, Nage Na, Sajati. Suddhi, Dage, The. Sajati, Nimmaya, Buddhi. Okay, so these are examples of your Sajati ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ. So what does ಸಜಾತಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಕ್ಷರ means? ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಂಜನಾಕ್ಷರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಂಜನ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಂಜನಾಕ್ಷರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಂಜನಾಕ್ಷರ ಸೇರಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ವ್ಯಂಜನಾಕ್ಷರ. Okay, it becomes your sajati vattakshara. Same it becomes sajati. Okay, so this is kotti hanu, this is all sajati. Now fourth one. So what you have to do, you have to go through the poem and you have to collect all sajati and vijati vattakshara and write complete. Next I'll go through the question and answers. ದೇವರು ಕಿವಿಯನ್ನು ಏಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವನು? Now ದೇವರು God, ಕಿವಿ ears, ಏಕೆ why? Why ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವನು means given. Why God has given ears? To listen, right? Suddhiyanu. According to poem, the answer is Devaru Suddhiyanu, to news and information, whatever, for listening. Suddhiyanu, Kelalu, Kiviyanu, Kottiravanu. Instead of ಏಕೆ, right? ಸುದ್ದಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ದೃಶ್ಯವನ್ನು ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ನೋಡಬೇಕು? ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ದೃಶ್ಯ, scenes is what I said. So how do you see different scenes? With your eyes. So eyes ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಕಣ್ಣು. ಸೊ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ದೃಶ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಣ್ಣಿನಿಂದ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ, ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿನಿಂದ. ಮೂಗಿನಿಂದ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನು ಸವಿಯುತ್ತೇವೆ? ಮೂಗು, ನೋಸ್. ಏನೇನು ಸವಿಯುತ್ತೇವೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಯು you inhale the air, right? Wind. ಮೂಗಿನಿಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಗಾಳಿಯನ್ನು ಸವಿಯುತ್ತೆ. The words you can pick it from your notebook or whatever your madam has given, you can write it down the same way. I'm just trying to explain the question, Kannada question in English, and corresponding answer you may write. ಕೈಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ಎಂಥ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕೈ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. So you have to do good work from your hands, right? ಕೈಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಬುದ್ಧಿಯಿಂದ ಏನನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯಬೇಕು? ಬುದ್ಧಿ, ಬ್ರೈನ್. ಬುದ್ಧಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಡತೆಯನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು your behavior, your character should be good. That's why you have been, right? So ಬುದ್ಧಿಯಿಂದ, the intelligence. So you have to have such thing. ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. So fill in the blanks is there. So you can actually go through the poem and complete it. It's not the same. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಕಿವಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಯರ್, ಕಣ್ಣು ಐ, ಮೂಗು ನೋಸ್, ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಟಂಗ್, ಕಾಲು ಲೆಗ್, ಕೈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. So you have to fill this if they have given for you. Okay. So any doubt, please feel free to comment. Right. So that's all for your part 2 of poem number 1. Thank you.